Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this sign that I got at Dollar Tree. I am going to paint over the black with some more black because I wanted it to be darker. It kind of had like a white look to the background, which you kind of can't see on camera, but it definitely wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be. So I'm just going to do one quick coat of black acrylic paint. And I'm not going to get in those center lines, just on the black parts. Being careful not to get it on the edge of the frame. So once I had that all painted, I am going to take some of the antique wax and I'm going to go around and stain the whole outside of the frame. So I'm just going to kind of paint some on, and then I'm going to use a baby wipe to spread it even further. And I'm just going to go around the whole frame. And there it is after I've stained and painted it. And I just think it looks so much better. Next, I'm going to paint every other bead black, and then every other bead I'm going to stain. So it's going to be a black bead, a stained bead, a black bead, a stained bead. And I'm just going to go through until I get all of the beads done. You can tape off in between. I just kind of push them apart to get that done. This process was a little time consuming, but it was definitely worth it, because the end result comes out really good. And I didn't want just plain beads. I wanted my beads to match the colors of the sign. And here you can see I got them all done. And look how good that looks with the colors on the sign now. It just looks so perfect. I absolutely love the way it looks. Next, I am going to take these ornaments that I got from Walmart, and I am going to line them up in the center of the sign. And then I'm going to hot glue them down. And these ornaments are like a ceramic, so they're pretty heavy, and they're actually really, really nice. They had other ones too. You could kind of pick which ones that you want to do, depending on what's the look that you're going for. I kind of wanted like a farmhouse rustic vibe, and that is what these are going to give me with this background. And then I used my heat gun to get rid of any of the excess glue gun strings. Next, I'm going to take some greenery, and I'm just going to hot glue that to the top. And I just did 2 pieces on either side. And then I added some berries, just like white berry picks that I cut off of another pick that I had. So I'm just going to hot glue those down. And I thought these were perfect for this project. Next, I made a little buffalo check bow. I'm going to add that right to the center. And then in the center of that bow, I am going to add a little bell. And I think this just looks so cute. Making sure that everything is where it needs to be, and let it dry before I add that bell. And then I had this little gold bell. It was like a vintagey gold color. And I'm going to pop that right in the center. And then I'm just going to use the backside of a paintbrush to kind of fluff up my bow. And that is it. This project is done. I think this turned out so super cute. I love the farmhouse vibe, and I absolutely love these ornaments. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.